What's up guys, welcome back to day 52 of 100 Days of LinkedIn. If you're enjoying these videos, feel free to comment, like and subscribe. So basically, if you, the question is what is the best way to use LinkedIn for content marketing? So I really think that, the status update is the most effective way to do some actual content marketing for your LinkedIn profile. It's the best way to actually get coverage, to get traction, to get reach, and ultimately to get ROI. It's not the same thing as producing long form blog content because it's a little bit more ephemeral, meaning that it will disappear over time. But the one way that you can work around that, of course, I think that LinkedIn, maybe you can go back as far as 2 months and look at old kind of status updates, something like that. But the point is that you could of course always document and keep those status updates and produce or repurpose that content for other platforms. So it doesn't mean that anything's lost. I do recommend using status updates, and if people want to take a deeper dive into your profile, you can always republish blog content, 30% of it from your blog, onto your actual LinkedIn newsfeed, not your newsfeed rather, but LinkedIn articles, and in that way you can link back to your site. So that's another way to use LinkedIn for content marketing.